Here you see the Quyntess App Ecosystem. It forms the digital foundation for collaboration across the entire supply chain. All relevant processes are structured into clearly defined application areas, from planning through execution to analytics. The supplier collaboration and procurement area covers the operational collaboration with suppliers. It includes order and service collaboration, product and document management, the Q-Card app for tail spend, and Quyntess interchange services. This ensures consistent data exchange and standardized processes from the very beginning. In the planning and forecasting area, planning processes are managed collaboratively and transparently. Forecast collaboration, the planner workbench, and delivery scheduling align demand, capacity, and execution. This allows potential issues to be identified and addressed earlier in the planning cycle. The manufacturing and assembly area integrates external manufacturing and co-manufacturing partners. Pre-production and assembly steps can be digitally coordinated and seamlessly integrated into the overall process. This reduces manual coordination effort and improves planning reliability. Inventory and warehousing coordination creates transparency across inventories and goods movements. Through inventory collaboration and slot booking, stock levels and inbound flows become visible and predictable. This enables better coordination between suppliers, warehouses, and receiving sites. A key efficiency lever lies in execution. The targeted digitalization of the end-to-end shipment process leads to measurable efficiency gains. Manual handovers are reduced, and process consistency is significantly improved. Suppliers create shipments and advance shipping notices directly in the system and share them with the buyer. The buyer complements this with shipment-related information, such as pack and stack specifications. Both sides work on the same databases, avoiding media breaks and misunderstandings. When deviations occur, quality collaboration provides structured resolution. Deviations and complaints are handled fully digitally, including documentation and communication. This increases transparency, shortens response times, and improves overall quality management. Logistics execution integrates external carriers and logistics partners on a unified data model. On top of this, visibility and analytics provide dashboards, KPI tracking, deviation management, and performance analysis. All available data can be evaluated and shared, both internally and externally. At the core of the Quyntess App Ecosystem is collaboration as an ongoing dialogue. Suppliers, buyers, and logistics partners work together on a shared databasis with clear responsibilities and transparent processes. If you would like to learn more about specific application areas or discuss your individual use case, we are happy to continue the conversation.